Let's fix some past simple mistakes. There are two problems here. The first one is the verb to be. We don't use this with past simple. So last summer, I went. And then, after the verb went, we don't use to travel. That's right, I went travelling. We use that ing form. There are lots of activities that use this form. I went cycling, I went snorkeling, I went climbing. And what about this sentence? I didn't reply to her email. That's right. Did already carries the idea of past simple, so we don't need to put replied into the past tense as well. I didn't reply to her email. For negative sentences using the past simple, we have the subject, didn't or did not, and then the base verb. I didn't reply to her email. I didn't answer her texts. I didn't work last weekend. Tell me something that you didn't do last weekend.